Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IAS the Elite Class. This video is all about a quick revision of major Indian soil types. So let's get started. Starting with the alluvial soil. This is the fertile soil found in the river plains and the deltas, and these are formed by sediment deposited by rivers brought by Himalayas. So these type of soils are very rich in potash, they are rich in lime, and they are somewhat poor in phosphorus and nitrogen. The new type of alluvium they deposit are known as the khadar, and the old one is known as bangar. All right, this is the new one and this is the old one. Now, these are very fertile type of soil and highly suitable for the crop yields. And these type of the soils are loomier and more clayer. Okay, in the lower and the middle Ganga plains, and the sand content keeps on decreasing while we move from west to east. So they are sandier, they are loomier, they are clayer, and they are very moist and porous types of soil, and that is why their fertility is very high. So crops grown in this particular type of soil are wheat, rice, sugarcane, and cotton. Now, moving forward towards the laterite type of soil. This is actually the type of soil formed in the hot and humid climate. These are formed under specific monsoon conditions of climate. Under such condition, leaching of the soil is accelerated. And this process reduces the silica content of rocks in soil, leaving the soil rich in iron and aluminium content. So they are highly iron rich and highly aluminium rich as well. Fine. So these soils are poor in organic matter, nitrogen, phosphate, and calcium. So that's why we will say they are more acidic and have low fertility. Now, the types of crops well suited for this type of soil are tea, coffee, cashew, coconut. So these are the type of crops we can grow in laterite type of soil. Moving forward, black soil. Black soil is also known as the regur soils. Okay, these type of soils are formed from the volcanic lava, and they are highly moisturous and moisturous type of soil. They retain the moisture well, and they crack in the dry season. They are rich in calcium and lime, and they have high clay content, so that's why they are sticky and crumbly when wet. Their fertility is really high. They are well suited for growth of cotton, millet, soya beans, sorghum. And black soils are also known as the self ploughing in nature due to their high moisture retaining quality. Coming forward to the red soils. So, red soils are formed from weathering of crystalline granite and metamorphic rocks. Okay, so these type of soil is rich in iron oxides, and they develop their reddish color due to the diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. And sometimes we call them yellow soil as well. And this is because it looks yellow when it occurs in the more hydrated form. Fine. They are poor in the nutrients and they are mostly acidic and have low fertility, but still some crops can be grown in the red soil, and this include the crops include peanuts, pulses, ragi, potatoes, and many more. Moving forward towards the arid type of soil, they are dry and sandy soil found in the desertous areas like Rajasthan and Gujarat. So these type of soil receive low rainfall and have high precipitation levels. Their moisture retention is low as compared to the black soil, which have high retention of moisture. So their limited moisture retention make them less suitable for cultivation purpose. They have high salt content and they are very much sandy and dry. Their fertility is low because they have poor humus and mineral content in them, and that's why arid type of soil are well suited for the growth of millets, barley, and cacti type of the plants which require this kind of environment. Coming forward towards the forest and mountainous soils. These soils are found in the hilly, forested, and the mountainous regions, and they are formed from decomposed organic matters, right? They are rich in humus and they are dark and loomy. They are poor in lime and phosphorus. They are mostly uneven, so that's why not that much suitable for growth. But yes, we can grow few crops over them, like we can grow tea over them, fruits over them. You can see that in the northern plains most of the people like to grow tea and fruits, and sometimes spices can be grown in these type of soils as well. Moving forward to the peaty and the marshy type of soil, right? These are organic soils found in the waterlogged or the swampy areas. Fine. Found in, we can say these are found in areas of heavy rainfall having high humidity, like we have Kerala, we have Odisha, we have West Bengal, right? So in these particular areas the humidity content is quite high, so large quantity of dead organic matter accumulate in these areas, and this give a rich humus and organic content to the soil. So they have high water content, and these type of soils are rich in organic matter because obviously they are made of dead and decomposed organic matter, so that's why the organic matter is very high in them. Waterlogging happens in these areas, and that's why sometimes we call them pt. Fine. And these are interred type of soil, black and spongy type of soil, well suited for the growth of crops like paddy, jute, bamboo, topeka. So paddy is well suited for this type of soil, and that is why this type of soil is very important. Fine. And moving forward towards the soils of India, we see the forest and the mountainous soils, they are formed by the sufficient rainfall. They're very much acidic with low humid content, and the forest type of soil is well suited for the growth of tea, fruits, medicinal plants, and much more. Coming to the arid or the desert soil, they're high in phosphate, low in nitrogen, and they grow mostly in the areas of Rajasthan and Gujarat, and they are well suited for the growth of bajra, barley, dates, etc. Coming to the alluvial type of soil, which will form 40% of the land area in the northern plains. These are created by the sediments deposited from Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra. They are very much rich in potash, lime, but they are poor in phosphoric acid, nitrogen, and alluvial soil types are well suited for the growth of rice, wheat, etc. Moving forward to the black soil. Black soil is the type of soil found in the Deccan Plateau, and this is formed by the lava. And this type of soil is most suitable for the cultivation of cotton, soya bean, millets, etc. Now, laterite type of soil. Laterite type of soil is found in the northeastern area and also the western Ghats. So it is formed under the high temperature and heavy rainfall. They're high in rich in aluminium, but they are having low content of nitrogen, potash, and lime in it. So laterite type of soil is well suited for the growth of tea, coffee. That's why we see it mostly in the southern part of India. Coming to the red and yellow soil formed by the igneous and the crystallinic rock forms, and the red and yellow type of the soils are mostly found in the eastern and the southern states like Tamil Nadu, Odisha. So in these areas we found the red and yellow type of the soil, and they are mostly suitable for the growth of pulses and millets. Fine. So this is all about the major soil types of India. Hope you have revised it thoroughly. If you have liked my video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.